Here's one thing about me. I make the most random noises ever every time I mess up trying to narrate something. So here is me trying to narrate a cold love story, Genderbent Sarah AU, alternate ending. But it's just the noises I kept making every time I messed up. Sam giggled at John's foot. How do you pronounce that again? Then unexpectedly. I'm forgetting English. Is English even my first language? Then unexpectedly. Then unexpectedly tightly grabbed. Oh god. Tightly. You think. Wait, no, that's. Samson. Only. Sam and Brett. God, when will I do this normally? Oh my god, I'm finally done. Please end my suffering.